Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Medizi. And today I would like to offer you a free certification since we already crossed 150 subscriber. So I thought of why not to give you a small surprise to give you a chance to have a free Azure certification, that is Azure Fundamental, absolutely free, and then it you can take it from home itself, and the preparation time would be less than a week. So let me tell you, if you are interested, you can get a Microsoft certification Azure Fundamental free if you haven't done yet. And if you have a pretty much knowledge of AWS or GCP, this certification needs to be maximum 5-6 of days will be sufficient for preparation. Even the less, to be very honest, I am not fond of Azure. I am AWS guy. I have a knowledge of AWS, but since I got a free opportunity to get it Azure certified in order to start Azure, then what I did, I registered the exam. In the weekend, I did saw few videos from Udemy and then from YouTube. I mean, that is may not be required also. Then I went through few practice tests that is also available free. And believe me, guys, in the exam there are 43 questions, and the time is 60 minutes. The exam was proctored, and I took around 20 to 25 minutes to complete the exam. It's so easy. It's a very basic, very easy exam. And then I done a revision. Then I ended up with 30 minutes extra time. Then I scored 805 out of 1000, which is pretty much good, I think. I mean, whatever I able to score, the passing marks is anyway 700 out of 100. And I mean, let me then go through. I mean, I got this certification. You can see I purposely deleted my name, but this is a certificate that we'll get, and you can get this badge. You can share this badge to your social networking site like LinkedIn. You can add this certification in your career portal in any of the organization. This is a completely valid certification provided by Microsoft. And if I would like to show you my score, you can see my score. So passing score was 700, I got 805. So these are the areas that I did well. These are the areas where I need to improve myself. And I mean, to be very honest, you need to just have the cloud basic knowledge. You are not at all a cloud guy. I would rather recommended you to go through the free practice thing that is available in MSDN, or you can search over, like, YouTube to take a full video course for AZ900 for around 2 to 3 hours. Then I will provide some link. You just take some practice test, and I can make sure that out of 43 question you will get at least 20 or 25 questions from there that are freely available over internet, and I will be sharing you. And but the problem is, since it is a free, the you all the answers may not be correct, so you need to validate from internet. Okay, so let me show you the certification portal itself. So this is the Microsoft certification portal, and as you can see, I have cleared AZ900. And then, I mean, if I want to download my certificate, I can download it from here. I can get my badge here. I can like, I have given the exam through Pearson VUE, so I can go there and see the marks. So that's all about the AZ900 dashboard. Now I'll telling you how to, like, register for free certification. So you need to visit this link. Okay, this link I will provide you down the below this description. You need to go open, and under that, so these are the few slots available as of now. So you need to book any of the slots. Suppose I am booking the very beginning slot. Okay, so this is the one. So you need to provide your name and email address, then phone number, then company name, designation, and register yourself. So once you registered, you'll get invite for this event, and that will be supposed to be happened on 25th and 26th. The event was approximate 1 hour 30 minutes. I mean, if you can follow this whole 1 hour 30 minutes, this 2 days will be sufficient for you to pass. So try to be attentive and try to follow this. And then once you completed both the like you, once you attended both the events, your email ID, whatever you have given, will be automatically eligible for the free certification. They will provide you a link. You click that link, you come to here, and from here you can go to Pearson VUE, and with that email ID, if you enter that exam cost, whatever is showing here, you can see the exam cost 4,000 3,696 plus tax, which is around 4,200 rupees. It will come absolutely free, so you can schedule. So my request, if you have a little bit knowledge of cloud, then you can take like which slot is closer to you, then you can possibly at like create a certification from Monday, I mean attend the certification from Monday, so that Saturday Sunday you can have a preparation, and Monday morning or Monday evening you can take the exam. And it won't take more than an hour, I think. And you have a laptop and a mobile so that you can take some pictures, and that's it. You have an internet connection, so that's all about this one. Okay, so that's all about the exam and all. So I would now go to so this is the one that I followed. I mean, that is completely free. I'll give the link. So if they have around 208 questions, so you won't get all question. You will get around 160 question with the free version. Otherwise, you need the contributor access. So even I can give you all the free question what they have. If you need, you can just comment below. I will provide you. And but anyway, 160 question is more than sufficient for you to pass, because you'll get around 23 or 24 question from here itself. So do prepare it, and I will be sharing few more PDFs where you can see around 80 or 90 questions. Just go through them and take as early as possible and get yourself certified to AZ900. I mean, it's still Microsoft is pushing AZ900, though it's not a mandatory certification. It's a very since it's a very fundamental, but just having a extra certification would really help us to grow in our career. So with that note, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. I would like to post many videos going forward in terms of AWS cloud and also DevOps. Thank you. Thanks a lot.